So the substitution step, we're going to take either equation and replace the y with what it's equal to. So you can start with a red one, replace the blue one, the y from the blue one, or vice versa. Either way, we're going to end up with 2x minus 10 equals 4x minus 1, or vice versa. We do want x's on one side or the other. It does look like there's more x's on the right side, so that's where we're going to want our x's there on the right side. So when we don't want x's on the left side, we're going to undo this positive 2x's with a minus 2x's to both sides. So now we have no more x's on the left, just negative 10 equals 4x minus 2x is 2x's minus 1. Now it's a two-step equation. Add the 1 and then divide by 2, and then we'll have it solved there. So here we have negative 10 plus 1. That's going to make a negative 9. And then we got equals 2x and no more 1s on the right side. Now in order to undo the x being multiplied by 2, we're going to divide by 2 to both sides. So now we'll end up with negative 9 over 2 equals 1x, okay? So now we know that x equals negative 9/2. Now it's a fraction, a little bit awkward to work with, but we can just keep rolling along, see where it leads us, okay? So we found the x is negative 9/2. Now let's find the y. So start out, which equation looks like it'll be easier? So if you see this here, this is a divide by 2. So probably using, well, they're both even, but this one does have a smaller coefficient there. So probably using the top equation would be easier. So again, we're just going to replace the x with what it's equal to. So here we go. So we got y equals now 2 times negative 9 over 2. The two 2's, they undo each other. They removing common factors or canceling or whatever you want to think about it. So 2 times negative 9/2, well, it'll be a negative. We got a positive times a negative, so I know it'll be a negative. And then 2 divided by 2 is just 1 times 9 makes negative 9. And then we still have the minus 10 there. So the y equals negative 9 minus 10, or negative 19. So negative 9/2 comma negative 19 is the ordered pair that makes both equations true. This is why we have solving algebraically and not just solving by graphing, because this one here, finding the negative 9/2, that one's kind of hard to see on a graph, and negative 19 is pretty far down on the graph. It's going to be hard to see. You're going to end up with a big old graph there. Probably faster just to do solve by substitution.